begins of February. Okay, this roof doctor guy parked in the handicap spot, and when he was told to move, he told the person to shove it up his ass and to call the fucking cops. Nice guy. Mr. Jeep, Mrs. Jeep. No Doubt doing a song called Hella Good on 102.1 The Edge. My name's Jeremy, filling in. Truck in the turning lane. Seriously? Might have ran the light there.
Yeah, I mean, I had to consciously remind myself all morning writing stories to call it spring break because I want to put March break and that is no longer. You know, she would have been full on blown.
Oh, there's someone in the ditch.
Okay, couple things. One, text messages coming in. Yes, I will clip Shelby talking about the coming thing like 2 minutes ago. It was a great one.
Go ahead, Mr. Plow. Going up the ramp.
Alright, we need to take a break. Shortly, because the machine car. I heard to tell you, the guy who wants to fight Joey. Solutions. If there's one thing I'm always telling people about that, it's that it's just dead. It doesn't define who you are, and it shouldn't define your future.
Brainer, where are you going to go to? That's all you really need to know. Buds helping buds with their buds. Find us at 2255 Highway 20 in Fond Hill or online at bobsgrowmart.com.
Deezes and Marrow return to Crane. From superstar podcasters to kings of late night, they're back with an all-new season of non-stop comedy.
Oh my God.
Somebody's bullshit. Entertainment Weekly.ca.
Yeah, he freaking jackknifed.
You depend on your equipment to keep you up and running all year long. Hi, this is Dave from the service department at
dive in the
Denver.
snow.
Our factory trained technicians make sure your equipment.
Then stream anytime. Hits FM. Traffic.
Sponsored by Purple Bricks, they've imagined the real estate of tomorrow and made it happen today. Get the expertise of a local realtor and save thousands of dollars. Visit purplebricks.ca. Here is Eleni.
With blowing snow and whiteout conditions along the stretch of the QEW this morning from Grimsby.
COVID-19 is behind us. Visit ontario.ca/COVID support to apply. Paid for by the Government of Ontario.
There's a reason why there's a turn lane there.
Year. Long and inventory blowout sale. Since the dawn of time, humans have been pursuing food.